Hello and welcome. This is Jamie from Master Addons. In this video, I am going to talk about source code element by Master Addons. After navigating to your Elementor page editor, just search for source code and you will get an element by Master Addons called source code. Just drag this inside your page editor and the default one looks something like this. The first option is to select your code and then the theme. Let's select CSS from this code and put some CSS code. Okay, this is how the CSS code looks like. And also you can select the theme. If you like the dark theme, then go with it, or you can select funky. There is some other like koi and tomorrow. Just select the perfect one that is suits your desired. And then let me show you JavaScript, how JavaScript code looks like inside your editor. Let's put some JS code and select the default one and then select JavaScript from code. And this is how JavaScript code is style. Now let's navigate to our customization. You can see here is an option called enable copy button. If you like to showcase the copy button, just enable this or you can disable it. I would like to showcase that copy to clipboard button. For now, just enabling this one and then enable line number. If you like to hide or showcase this line number, then just enable or disable it. And then the button visibility. If you like to showcase that copy to clipboard button on hover, select on hover. Now if I hover, you will see copy to clipboard. And the position. There are two positions. One is bottom and another is top. And this is how bottom right corner position looks like. Let's select the top and always for button visibility and change the copy button text to copy source code. And after copied button text, you are done. Let's update and preview our page. Now if I click and you can see after copied text is you are done. And this is how the button works. Let's navigate to the style area. Inside this style area, you can define your container height. You can manually control this height if you like to, but personally I prefer to keep 100%. And then the padding. You can define the padding individually for top and then the left. Just play with this to get a perfect output for your web page. Then the border, you can select solid border, define the width and then the color, and that's how the container height, padding, margin and border works. Let's reset our color and then the border. Okay, now navigate to button. For the button, you can see copy source code. This button, just select the typography, just selecting Arial and then the typo size. You can define the size, then the width. Okay, it's bold, transform uppercase or lowercase, and then the line height and letter spacing. Also you can select the text color and the background color or something lighter, and the border and the border radius. Let's keep everything and update. Then take a look. I clicked and you're done. And this is how the source code element by Master Addons works. If you still have any question regarding this element, feel free to comment on this video or get in touch with us via our contact form. We will try our best to assist you.